Hey, Tyler Beck with Tech and Espresso. Did you know that there's a quick way to find the dimensions of a counterbore countersink hole? So when you're doing the hole tool in Fusion and you choose countersink, how do you find these dimensions? So I was trying to do a number 12 screw. I didn't know where to find this other than digging out my machinist handbook or going and pouring through different drill charts, and I actually struggled to find it. So a quick way to find this, go to your McMaster-Carr right within Fusion. I'm going to search for wood screws, search for a number 12. There's a Phillips head. Set the right depth that I want for the screw. Go to that product detail. And down below, I'm going to expand this so we can see it a little bit better. But down below, you've got the overall diameter. We've got this smaller diameter. We've got the angle of the head. And that's all I need. Now I just fill out these values. Hey, if you've got a better way or faster way to find that information, let me know in the comments. I would love to find out a better way to do it than that. And if you're looking for a beginner series, check this one out, or check out the 23 tips that beginners should learn. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.